Oh.
Whoop.
That was good. What are you doing? Just
Just think it'll be funny. We'll see if I'm right about that. Don't look at me like that or you're gonna get shot. Yeah!
Put that in slow-mo. It's not good.
No, it didn't look good.
No, it didn't look good.
Pow! Got him.
Mm-mm. It's not a great piece of machinery. Ice skating.
Instead of playing Sims.
Wait, show them, look. It's a cow.
In his name.
Chick-fil-A.
You want to show them the rest of the people?
Colonel Sanders is at work.
There he
This
is.
is Ronald McDonald. Wendy.
Oh, you changed the wallpaper.
I did change
It's
the
nice.
walls and the carpet.
Very good.
Colonel Sanders has just been promoted to caterer.
Alright, let's go ice skating. Oh my god, we're doing it!
Going ice skating!
Ah! Got him. Here we are. Long barn. Ice rink parking. Ice rink skating. Oh my god. Time to promote.
I fell and hurt my knee, and that's what happened.
I didn't fall. Sydney fell. And now we're going home to drink tea and shower.
We rage quit ice skating.
So we left. We're done. Today we're trying to find snow. So we're driving up the mountain and visiting Strawberry and Pinecrest. When you just finish eating and your hands are sticky, but then you come in the car and there's wet wipes. Fuck yeah! Oh, there's the lake.
These are tree stumps.
Yeah, at the bottom of the lake. So this was the beach. You know, I'll put the picture of us on the beach. Wow. Look at the dock.
Yeah, so, I mean, that house, that building was over the water.
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yes. On the bottom of the lake.
Yeah. This is where we went kayaking, what, 4 months ago? On this dock. We got on a kayak and then we went all the way around the lake. And now we're standing in the lake. put the camera here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see him.
Where?
It's just a raven.
Yeah, but he's making a fun noise.
Rip. Down there and walk over there. Wanna do that?
Yeah. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that beer bottle. Without splashing.
Ah, it went in my pants. You're gonna get it in your shoe. Oh my god.
Ooh. Gotta do the jackhammer maneuver.
Hey! The noise it made.
Not the noise that it should have made. We got hot from the wilds, so we are residing. We're residing in a cave because it's very hot out, even though there's snow. Okay, everybody. We are doing a Christmas nut taste test.
You are.
You're not gonna try any?
Well, I'll try them, but
Okay, we know what walnuts are. We don't know what this is.
I know that's almond.
This is almond.
Yeah.
Almond's this ugly one. That one's better.
Hazel, I think.
If you know, leave a comment below.
Oh. And what is this? Big knocker.
What is that? Okay, I think that's all the kinds.
I don't think this is exciting enough to go in the vlog.
Don't do that. How's it?
It's an almond.
It's better than a normal almond, like a bagged almond.
Yeah, better than a normal one.
And we all know how almonds taste, so you guys can play along at home.
Oh my god.
Oh, that one's a pincher.
It's hazelnut.
It's hazelnut?
Yeah, it tastes like Nutella. But more nutty.
It's good. Ooh, it's all over the kitchen.
Oh, I think they're home.
Are they?
Yeah.
Shh, eat them up really quick.
You know?
It's pretty good.
No idea what it is, but it's good.
It tastes like coconut meat.
I know.
Hey, who's that?
Kanye.
Hey everybody, let's play Find That Leonard. Is he in this pile? Or this pile? Leave a comment down below what you think.
Let's see, there he is.
There he is. If you guessed the left pile, you were correct. Leave a comment if you were correct.
Got it. This is Margot.
Hello,
Want some chai latte?
We just made bread. It's proving right now.
It's proving right now.
It is proving. Leave a comment if you want us to make more cooking videos.
We made cheese bread with bell pepper. Yeah, it didn't exactly like, I don't know, we think it was too dry.
Better taste good.
It better taste good.
It's bread time. All right in the middle.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh no!
It's raw.
It's not raw.
It's underbaked.
It's very underbaked.
Put it back in.
Yes! Sean was right that we should have cooked it longer.
This is what we get
Alexa,
for not
set
listening
timer
to
for
Sean.
10 minutes.
Before. After. A little bit better. Why are you cutting it in such a weird way? Dink. Cheesy.
I'm not getting the cheese.
The crust is good though.
It's good.
We just played darts. And got fun hand warmers. This is what we wake up to every morning. Oh no!
He's camera shy.
Yeah, he is.
Yep, good boy.
Good boy.
Horses. Nice, I promise.
Hey, it's time to pack.
I just wanted to tell the vlog.
I did it. Last night, I platinum God of War 2. I gotta tell everybody. Gotta keep the grind going.
Going home.
Some ash just fell.
See, I knew I smelled fire. Uh-oh.
Shake, shake! You like that voice?
No. Yeah, it's messy in the car. I wasn't expecting it to squirt.
That's not why I turned the camera on. I was just turning it on to say we got breakfast burritos. When you eat your brother's head.
I'm so upset. Just went in because they made it wrong. They make it right this time, and it's just egg.
Elsa! Elsa! Yes.